I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to find your transaction history in WooCommerce, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Before changing your settings, use the hrc link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to WooCommerce. Once logged in, look for the WooCommerce option in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on it to expand the menu. Step 3. Go to Orders. In the WooCommerce menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page where you can see all the transactions made through your store. Step 4. Filter your transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options at the top of the Orders page. You can filter by date, order status, or customer. Step 5. View order details. Click on any order number to view detailed information about that transaction, including items purchased, customer info, and payment status. Remember, if you don't see any transactions, check if your store is set to live mode rather than sandbox mode. Happy selling!